All right, what we're doing today is we're finally going to get a chance to see if our winter protection worked. Here we have all of our blueberry bushes covered in our 2.2 ounce winter protection. Now, the bush itself, we're not really concerned with. The berries are going to fruit 2 times throughout the year. And what always happens in the first part of the season, we get that throwback frost. Here it is the beginning of March, and we're already into the 70 degrees. That's not going to work for these blueberries because we are going to experience another cold front, and that's going to affect the flowers on the blueberry bush. So that's what these winter protection blankets are all about. It's not about the bush itself, it's about protecting the flowers. These were my biggest berries last year, the Sweetheart. And we're gonna start off with opening up with this. Now you're seeing this for the first time, just like I am. Walk it around. And again, we just wanna show you what protecting these bushes does. Look at that, oh my goodness. Looks like a little Christmas tree up under there. We got down to 12 degrees and everything you see on there, that's gonna be berries. So we're gonna take this one off, sit this one to the side. Now this is the Northland. This is one of the last bloomers, but we're gonna see what that Northland looks like. So again, you get to see it first time as I am. I probably expect them, look at that, oh my goodness. Now it's getting dark out here. We trying to get as much done as we can, but I'm just so impressed with all the flowers on this thing. So we're gonna see what this one looks like. This is our pink lemonade. The pink lemonade is a cross between the northern high bush and a rabbit eye. And this is one of my first bloomers as well. That's beautiful. The whole thing about doing these winter protection blankets is not so much as to protect the plant itself, it's to protect the flowers when it drops down into those freezing zones. The next video I'm gonna be showing you, we're gonna be pruning these. Even though this looks good with all these berries on, this is what we call overcrop. Overcrop's gonna produce smaller berries, and we want the largest berries that we possibly can get. We're gonna wrap this up. We're running out of daylight, but until the next time, keep growing out the box.